everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to turn any of your photo into a super fun Sharkie plus delivery styles using Pixverse. And the best part is super easy and you can do it for free. So let's get started. First, just open Pixverse. You can either use it directly on the web or just download the app from the Play Store. And once installed, just log in with your Google account. And don't worry, Pixverse will give free credits every day, so you will be able to generate images without paying. After logging in, you will land on the home page like this, and then just tap on templates, and then just look for the one that called Sharkie plus delivery. You can use search bar to search it. Okay, like this, just tap on it. This is the special filter that will turn from your picture into that cute Sharkie plus styles. Just tap on use template and then just upload any photo that you want. Just make sure the picture is clear so Pixverse can generate the best results. And then once uploaded, just tap on create. And then just go to mine. And then just tap on image, and then in here your photo is ready. Let's try to see it. Okay, like this. Your very own Sharkie plus delivery image is ready. Look how fun and adorable this looks. You can download it and then just share it on your social media. And okay, that's it. In just a few simple steps, you have turned from your regular photo into a Sharkie Plus delivery masterpiece using Pixverse. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.